Today we are going to explain why the success of a modern company is so dependent on its communication and what influence the correct infrastructure can have on this. This is where Colin Mayer and James Miller work. Colin manages a large software company. James is the chairman of a bank. Both want to create new spaces for staff meetings and discussions with customers and suppliers. Well, that's not difficult, they think. After all, they already have meeting rooms. You just need to provide the biggest possible table and lots of chairs, and there you are. The space is ready. But just a minute, Colin. Just a minute, James. Does that really reflect the way in which people in your company communicate with each other? In Colin's software business, information events are often organized, which are attended by all departmental managers. There are creative workshops with up to 8 people. Or sometimes a couple of software developers need to get together to exchange ideas. In James's bank, there are regular training sessions for all the staff. Besides, important customers are invited to attend individual consultations and suppliers invited in for negotiations. And whenever a new product is to be developed, there are workshops which technical experts can link to via video stream. People communicate in such a huge variety of ways. But somehow the old meeting rooms of yesteryear are never suitable for the efficient way we communicate today. Colin and James can see that work within their companies has changed. The quality of the work depends to a significant effect on communication. How is information transmitted? And how is this information dealt with? Did everyone receive everything they needed? Do the members of staff have the motivation to take part in a process? Are there enough opportunities for people to liaise with each other and therefore make decisive progress? Communication determines the space. So how should Colin and James arrange their space? Interstuhl has analyzed a range of different communication situations on the basis of the research findings of the Fraunhofer Institute IAO and developed the meeting analysis planning system with 5 modules for successful communication within companies. On the basis of these well-grounded research findings, Interstuhl is able to offer its customers targeted communication, specific analysis, and advice. And now we would like to help Colin and James to create the kinds of communication that will be fit for purpose in the work of the future. And in the process, make a significant contribution to the development of their businesses. We are shaping the future of seating because we have a passion for chairs.